also one of the very first monarchs in the world to actually travel the world. He traveled over to England, and he received a blessing from the Pope at the time, and then he also had the opportunity of sitting down with Queen Victoria, and drink tea with Queen Victoria. And in his travels, he ran into somebody by the name of Thomas Edison, and Thomas Edison at the time was, of course, showing off electricity, and King Kalakaua was building the Iolani Palace, and he wanted electricity in the palace, and so he had that put in there when he was having it built. So very cool. You guys make it out here during the day, or during the nighttime. It's quite active at nighttime here. They've got a lot of vendors out here selling goodies. You've got musicians out here. You've got dancers and artists, and lots of activities going on here at nighttime. Quite fun. So. On the right here you have the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Plaza, but if you look right back here between these two buildings, you can actually see part of the Royal Hawaiian back there. So that was, I believe, the fourth resort that was built here on the islands. Very first one that was built is coming up here on the right. It's the Moana Surfrider. It was the very first resort built here in 1901. And very first people to stay here, right here on the right, that's the Moana Surfrider. The very first people to stay there were the Shriners, and they paid a staggering $1.50 a night to stay there. I know, broke the bank, right? Oh, road is closed. What the heck? Well, I'm supposed to pick up some guests over here. Doesn't look like that's going to happen.
Are there coconut tree, right?
Well, some are pine, palm trees, and some are coconut. The coconut, if I understand it right, you see how these are skinny trees? Hope somebody's not looking at me. Take it easy there, Cletus. Sorry. Yeah, if they're skinny like that, those are palm trees. If they're fat, that means they've got coconuts.
We have two palm tree and coconut, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's this area you call?
This is still Waikiki, yeah?
Still white.
Waikiki.
Waikiki.
Yeah.
It's a great city of Hawaii. Supposed to be downtown, right?
Yes.
And somehow it's somebody.
Big building. How many stores?
Oh, stories? I
Yeah.
don't know. You're probably looking 40, 50 stories right there.
Yeah, like this.
It says no parking, but I'm
Big
gonna have
building.
to park there.
How many people are there here?
I don't know.
Waiting for our bus. How many people?
I've got two, I believe, at this location to pick up. Let me see.
Okay.